I'm fixing a pair of Panasonics today. I'm already midway through it before I remembered somebody told me I should record these and put them on YouTube, so whatever. I have a SJ-MJ70 with a bad play stop button. It doesn't clicky, nothing. It just toggles constantly because the spring is broken or something, so that it is riding the contacts. I have this, I don't know what it's from, something similar. MJ88, no, that has nothing to do with it. Well, I don't know, so some other SJ-MJ. So I've taken a good button off of there that goes clicky. I've already removed the bad switch, cleaning up the contacts a little bit. This is 100% unnecessary to do. There's no point in cleaning this up other than to do it for the camera so you can see it. Come on. Whatever. Put the new switch on, solder it down, and then I have an SJ-MJ, I don't remember, that I think something's bent because the disc spins, but it sounds like it's hitting something, and the laser reads, so it's a good unit, but something mechanically is wrong with it. And I have another of the same model with a bad laser, and these are real easy to switch out bodies, so that one should be kind of quick. If I can get this thing positioned, give it a little dab of solder. Nothing wants to stay. Probably the alcohol, right? Shouldn't have done that. Now it will stay. A little bit of flex to encourage it. Hold the phone. Where'd the battery door go? What are you doing over here? You don't belong over there. Silly thing. Oops. Easy there, fella. That's probably it. What's your problem? There was remote wasn't in or something. This remote isn't particularly good. Causes it to do goofy things. The battery. This isn't the right battery door. Or it's not sitting right. It was not wobbly. This might be the wrong battery door. I have to look around. Anyway, buttons fixed. That's the right battery door. Something's goofy. I'll fix that later. That's not what the video is about. So here's this SJ-MJ5. This thing. Ooh, jeez. Like I said, it sounds like something's pressing on the disc. But not always. See, you don't hear it now, do you? It's not going to do it now. It's not spinning either. Kind of making the point, I guess. This thing just comes right apart, doesn't it? Not familiar with this model, so you'll be able to see a lot more now. place for it. No. Alright, so I'm trying to actuate that and start the disc. See, you can't spin, but it does spin. This I know, because there are times when it does spin. And it's not the spindle motor. There's something sticking up. So this repair is not going to go the way I thought it was. Where's the donor? Here's the donor. Assuming this one is still in decent enough shape that I think I'd rather just transfer the laser and be done with it. Although I wonder if the laser in this one actually works. I didn't have a lot of remotes when I first started working on these Panasonic, so I had no idea what they were doing. Other than just, getting lucky and one played through the headphones. I had no idea if they were actually working or not. So let me just see what's going on with it first. I mean, they had the telltale sound of it seeking and not ever loading a disc, but it's not 100%. Anyway, let's just see before we condemn this thing. Try this remote. Come on, get in there. Alright, I gotta hold about 5 things in place to get this going. kind of sounds like it's... I don't know, maybe. Volume up. It does work. Someone. Huh. Guess maybe I should just put this back together and be done with it. Alright, well, whatever. 2 units, still 2 working units. And possibly a third if I get that. Probably the carriage is bent or something. Anyway, probably a waste of a video. Sorry about that.